Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing a healthy and filling sandwich recipe ideal to include as a filling meal in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my cast iron kadai, I'm adding in 2 teaspoons wood pressed coconut oil. Instead of wood pressed coconut oil, you can use A2 desi ghee. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Once the jeera splutters, I'm adding in 1 onion finely chopped. Give it a stir. Allow the onions to saute until they become transparent. Once the onion is transparent, add in 1 green chilli finely chopped. I'm grating in a small piece of ginger and give it a good stir. Into this, I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, 1/3 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, and give it a good stir. Allow the spices to roast for about a minute so that the raw flavor of the spices are diminished. Next, I'm adding in 1 cup finely chopped palak leaves. Give it a good stir. Cover and allow the palak leaves to get wilted and cooked. About a minute later, open the lid, give it a good stir. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed, half of a capsicum finely chopped, and give it a good stir. I have already boiled 1 medium-sized potato. The potato has cooled down completely. I am lightly mashing the potatoes into the palak mix. Give it a good mix. Lightly mash the potatoes with the spatula. Boiled and cooled potato is a good source of resistant starch. And lastly, I am adding in 1 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, and give this a good mix. Turn off the flame and my palak sandwich filling is ready. Now the best thing about this filling is that you can make ahead this filling and store it in an airtight glass container, and it will stay good in the refrigerator for a couple of days. Hence it is an ideal way to meal prep for those busy people. To make the sandwich, I am using 2 bread slices and I am placing the palak sandwich filling on top of 1 bread slice. I used 3 tablespoons of the palak filling. This filling is enough to make 2 sandwiches. Cover with the other slice and lightly press down. I am heating my cast iron tawa and I am drizzling in about half teaspoon of desi ghee. I am using A2 desi ghee. And with a spoon, I am lightly spreading the ghee over the tawa. Place the sandwich on top. Place something heavy like a skillet on top. This will help in even toasting and also will help to seal the filling. Couple of minutes later, remove the skillet on top. Drizzle in a little bit of A2 desi ghee and lightly spread all over the bread slice. Healthy fats like wood pressed oils and A2 desi ghee helps in better assimilation of fat soluble vitamins. So try not to skip using a good source of healthy fats in your diet. Carefully flip it over. Place the skillet on top and allow that side to get toasted as well. Once done, remove it from the tawa and serve. I'll slice and show you how the sandwich is, and you can also notice how crispy the sandwich is. And my super healthy palak sandwich is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with homemade tomato sauce or green chutney. I've already shared the recipe of tomato sauce and green chutney. So guys, do try this healthy and filling palak sandwich recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.